Let me be real with you. There's a silent killer in most men's lives. It's not failure. It's not rejection. It's comfort. The habits that feel easy today are quietly stealing your future. And if you don't spot them, they'll own you. So listen close. If any of these hit you, it's not to shame you. It's to wake you up. 1. Dodging responsibility. You'll never grow if you keep blaming the world. Weak men point fingers. Strong men point to the mirror. Owning your choices, even the bad ones, is where real power begins. 2. Chasing validation. Always needing attention, likes, or approval. That's not confidence, that's addiction. A strong man doesn't need to be seen. He already knows who he is. 3. Breaking promises to yourself. Ever told yourself, "I'll start Monday," and didn't? Every time you fold, your self-respect shrinks. Strong men do what they say, even when it's hard, even when no one's watching. 4. Being indirect and passive-aggressive. Weak men avoid conflict by throwing shade or staying quiet. Real strength, saying what needs to be said, clearly, calmly, and with respect. 5. Letting emotions control you. Suppressing everything or exploding over nothing. Both are weakness. Emotional maturity isn't about being numb. It's about responding, not reacting. 6. Living in the past. Your pain isn't your prison, unless you decide it is. Weak men stay stuck in their stories. Strong men use their past as fuel, not chains. 7th. Waking up with no plans. Scroll, react, drift. That's how most men live. Strong men don't wait for motivation. They move with intention, even if it's not perfect. 8. Escaping through numbness. Food, porn, scrolling, video games. These aren't just habits, they're distractions. And the more you numb yourself, the further you get from who you could be. 9. Talking more than acting. Everyone says, "I'm working on myself," but are you really? Weak men talk, strong men show. 10. Refusing to grow. Defending your flaws instead of fixing them is a silent form of self-sabotage. Growth hurts, but so does regret. The difference is, one makes you stronger. If any of this stung a little, good. That means you're still honest with yourself. This isn't about guilt, it's about growth. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be done pretending. Drop the weak habits. Show up different and become the man you'd be proud to follow.